Just in case, let's quickly look at all the scores so far in round 32. Of course, we know Canada beat South Africa 1-0, but interesting things happened. Brazil beat Japan 2-1, and then one of the major upsets of this year's World Cup, Germany lost to Paraguay. Paraguay beat Germany after a penalty shootout. The penalty count was 4-3. Then the Netherlands and Morocco also drew. They scored 1 goal each, and Morocco beat Netherlands in the penalty shootout 3-2. Norway beat Ivory Coast 2-1, and then France had a very good game against Sweden. They beat Sweden 3-0. Mexico also quite an easy game against Ecuador, and they beat them 2-0. Now, later tonight, England will play the Congo. Belgium will play Senegal. That should be a very nice game to watch. And then tomorrow, the USA versus Bosnia-Herzegovina and Spain versus Austria. Stay tuned for all the updates. And I don't know who you're going to support, but let's see who's going to win this World Cup.